Hey there, folks. As you can see, working on the van again. When we rebuild this engine, or head gasket rather I should say, we put it all back together again. Everything ran smoothly and fine. Then all of a sudden I developed a miss. And the only thing I can think of out there was probably cheap plugs. So now I'm going with a little bit more, supposedly better plugs. We'll see. I'll let you know when I get done doing all this. I won't bore you with changing the plugs because everybody knows how to change plugs by now. I think it was this one, folks. This was the last one in the back on the driver's side. I thought it was this one, but then I was following the suggestion of the book. But wow, look how. Oh, that is. I actually thought it was this one. So I went and replaced the plugs, and it was still a miss. Until Junior turned around, looked at me and says, "Well, wait a minute. I hear something hissing in here." Because he's sitting inside.
Not hissing, humming.
Oh, humming. Like I made a video, somebody made a video one time, and they said something about it was humming. And I said the reason it's humming is because it doesn't know the words. Well, I guess it comes down here too. It also was humming because it did not know the words. So we found the old one, the ignition coil. All right, move it over or get out, one or the other. Can you throw some light here?
Yeah.
I'm gonna throw some light here in a minute. Here you go, folks. This is the old one. All I did was put it on top, just for the time being, because I was just checking it out. There's a new one underneath here, and apparently that one was causing my misfire. It would like really shake the car, and I couldn't understand until, like I said, Junior said this thing was humming or buzzing or whatever. So we found this old one, put it back on, and everything runs smooth. So that's my culprit. I'm going to see if I can get another one, but hopefully I won't get one that's from China. But then again, let's face reality. Everything nowadays comes from China. Okay, folks, just wanted to let you know what's going on with this van, because a few people have been asking, how's it going, how's it driving and everything. Well, there you go, now you know. The misfire was caused by this, the ignition coil. So I put the old, like I said, put the old one back on, ran smoothly. So I'm gonna go look for another one. Okay, folks, till later. Till then, be good out there, stay safe. Okay.